a date with your lifelong partner, or even with your best friend. It's the perfect occasion to break out of your usual routine. Hi guys, I'm Smriti and today I'm going to show you the prettiest date night makeup look. Before I get into the video, go ahead and subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and ring the bell icon for further notifications. I'm going to start off by prepping my skin with a lightweight luminous moisturizer that will not only hydrate the face but also highlight the features. This is the Lakme Lumi Cream. Take a pea-sized amount of the product and gently massage it into the skin. This is what's going to give me that natural yet luminous 3D highlighted effect, all thanks to the Korean pink pearl extracts infused in it. Next up is primer. So today I'm going to use the Lakme Absolute Undercover Gel Face Primer. Simply spot prime oil-prone areas and areas where pores and texture is visible. This primer has a smooth gel formulation which will fill out any pores, fine lines and skin imperfections at the same time. Once you've applied the primer, let it sit on the skin for about 30 seconds so that it completely soaks into the skin. Now moving on to the eye makeup. Think of it. You're on a date, eye contact is crucial. So to draw the other person's attention, your eye makeup game must be on point. First, let me prep the eyelids by dabbing a bit of concealer. Blend it out and then set it with some loose powder. So today, I'm going to create a half smoky glitter eye makeup look. For that, I'll start by using the Lakme 9 to 5 Eye Color Quartet eyeshadow palette in Mystic Nudes. Using a big blending brush, I'm going to dip into this medium toned brown color and apply it all over the eyelid. Now for the smoky liner look, I'm going to use the Lakme Absolute Explore Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Cashmere Love and Diamond Black. I'll start by using the Diamond Black on a small angled brush and pat it only on the outer edge of the eyes to sort of create a wing line. Then using a small smudger brush, I'm going to smudge it out for a smoky effect. Since it has the lightweight buildable coverage, I'm going to dab off a bit of the black shade to intensify the color. Once done, I'm going to take the Cashmere Love shade on my fingertips and dab it on the eyelids starting from the inner part of the eye all the way till I reach the smoked out part. For the lower lash line, I'm going to first rim it with the Lakme Iconic Kajal. Then, using a small smudger brush, I will smoke out the liner. This intense deep black kajal is smudge proof, which will stay put for up to 22 hours. Follow it up by applying a few coats of mascara on the upper and lower lashes for a voluminous effect. I like to use the Lakme Absolute Flutter Secrets Dramatic Eyes Mascara in the shade Night Drama. The long-term curl formula of this mascara is also waterproof and smudge resistant. With that, the eyes are done. Also guys, if you want to check out our other glamorous makeup looks, then tap on the eye icon on the top right. For a romantic date night, you will want to have flawless skin, right? Without it looking like it's caked on with foundation. So ditch the heavy foundation because heavy, full coverage foundations tend to hide the natural skin and I want my base to look skin-like but better. This is the Lakme 9 to 5 Weightless Mousse Foundation in the shade Honeydew. This foundation has a mousse texture which gives a beautiful matte finish. Apply it all over the face and blend it out with a damp beauty sponge. This will ensure that the foundation seeps into the skin for an even toned skin-like finish. Now to add a flush of color on my face, I'm using this blush. It's the Lakme Absolute Illuminating Blush Shimmer Brick in the shade Pink. Dip into the pan using a large blush brush and dab it onto the apples of your cheeks, blending it outwards and upwards. Now if you love that lit from within glow, highlighter is a must. I'm using the Lakme Absolute Liquid Highlighter in the shade Bronze. Using my fingers, I'm going to dab it onto the high points and blend it out. The best part is that this highlighter gives that glowing goddess vibe but without appearing chunky or blotchy. And the final step is to apply lipstick because at the end of the date, you never know, right? So it's important to put your best pout forward. At the same time, you want a lipstick that is soft to touch and feel and makes the lips look luscious. This is the lipstick that I'm going to use. It's the Lakme Absolute Precision Lip Paint in the shade Alluring Nude. Oh my god you guys, I love this lip paint. Have you tried it? It has a brush that's so handy to carve out the shape of the lips. So let me just go ahead and do that. The texture of it is so velvety, soft, matte and just yummylicious. Did I mention that this lipstick is also super pigmented? You can thank me later. So guys, this is how I created the prettiest date night makeup look. Let me know if you guys like this look. Before you go, don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel. Also hit the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos, and I'll catch you in the next one.